Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thanks for joining us. United Flight 1153 to Los Angeles. My name is Will. I'm your flight service coordinator. Our captain today is Captain Francisco, assisted by First Officer Sturgio. We'd like to welcome back our Mileage Plus members who are earning or redeeming award miles on this flight. The captain has advised our flight time will be 3 hours and 48 minutes, and we will ask that you direct your attention to the following important safety presentation.
United has been partnered with Team USA for over 35 years. Since 1980, we've been flying Olympians, Para-Olympians, and Olympic athletes to training competitions, as well as the Summer Olympic Games.
Many people think of the Olympic team just during the period of the Games. Olympic athletes and Paralympic athletes train and compete throughout.
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap in case of unexpected off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. So your tray table, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. From all of us at United, we thank you.
1, 2, 3, USA!
Enjoy the new Bistro onboard menu. Fresh ingredients, handmade artisan selections, all part of United's Choice menu. Or try the Snack Shop, a variety of choices just for you. Available on select flights. Find it in your seatback guide or ask your flight attendant.
Welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles. The local time is 4:09 p.m. We'll be taking for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until the fasten signal sign has been turned off. Please make sure you have all your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft, and be careful when opening the overhead compartments. You are now free to use your small lightweight devices in transit mode, and on behalf of United or Star Alliance partners and your entire flight crew, we want to thank you for flying Transskies with us today. We hope you have a pleasant experience, and we look forward to welcoming you again on another United flight. Have a good evening, everyone.
Waiting.
Good.